On the 10th of April 1858, Big Ben, the bell inside the clock tower at the Palace of Westminster in Britain, was cast. Welcome to History Pod. Big Ben and the clock tower are two of the most evocative symbols of London. The bell has chimed the hours almost non-stop since its first rang in July 1859, over a year after the bell itself was cast at the Whitechapel Bell Foundry. Weighing 13.5 tons, the bell is actually damaged. Within 2 months of being installed, it cracked under the weight and force of the hammers striking against it, and repairs took nearly 3 years to complete. This consisted of the removal of a square of metal near the crack and turning the bell 1/8 of a turn on its axis so that the hammer would strike a different part. The bell continues to operate now with the repair in place, and as a result, it sounds slightly different to what was originally intended. As for the bell's nickname, sources disagree on the origin. While some believe that it was named after a contemporary heavyweight boxer, Benjamin Caunt, the most commonly accepted explanation comes from a parliamentary debate. It's said that a large and imposing politician, Sir Benjamin Hall, made a long and passionate speech about the bell. He was known as Big Ben, and on sitting back down, someone else in the chamber apparently shouted out, "Why not call it Big Ben and have done with it?" There's a common misconception that the name Big Ben applies to the clock at Westminster, but in reality it is only the name of the bell. The tower is officially known as the Elizabeth Tower, which in turn was renamed from the uninspiring Clock Tower in 2002 to celebrate Queen Elizabeth II's Diamond Jubilee.